The hospital heart TV. You've probably seen these on TV. TV programs show people in hospital connected to a heartbeat monitor. When the patient has no heartbeat, the monitor makes the sound eeeep. The heart monitor shows a dot or a flat line. Oh yeah, gotta be careful if you're gonna flat line. There it is. This is with the time off. This is with the time base on. Because the horizontal is the time. It goes faster and faster and faster and faster. When it goes fast enough, it just looks like a line. The horizontal axis is time. The time base is, in a hospital, is usually set at 1 line equals 1 second. I've got to change that U. The patient's heart is then restarted using electricity in TV. "Clear!" shouts the doctor to make sure no one is touching him and gets an electric shock. Oh, camera. The heart monitor is called a cathode ray oscilloscope. Well, in hospitals they call it a heart monitor. But, yes. Cathode ray oscilloscope. When the heart is working, the monitor looks like this. Dum dum. Dum dum. Dum dum. The heart dot moves up and down. This is with the time beat off. Dum dum. Dum dum. The dot moves up and down as the body's pacemaker sends electrical signals to control the positive voltage. This makes the dot go up and down. Ooh. Bit of editing. Negative voltage makes the dot go down. With the time base on, the dot moves from left to right once every second, at the same time as the voltage changes. Now the doctor can see what's really happening. TV dramas are not the truth. The paddles put on the chest are called a defibrillator. Defibrillator. Defibrillators are used when the heart is beating crazily, called arrhythmia. Arrhythmia. In reality, defibrillators are of no use when the heart flatlines. Yes, movies and TV programs start going, "Oh, he's flatlined, get the paddles out." No, you don't. You inject him with adrenaline. Adrenaline is injected to start a heart. Cathode ray. You can't learn how to be a doctor from watching TV. TV programs do things that look dramatic. Get the paddles out. Use the defibrillator. Yeah, that doesn't start hearts. That's not how hearts work. Oscilloscope. Can be used to look at sounds from musical instruments and voices. Full stop. CROs can also be adapted to give a picture of any energy source that changes. The hospital machine that shows your heart rhythm is called a cathode ray oscilloscope. CRO. Go!